Having trouble with your T-Mobile transfer PIN on the app? You're not alone. This video will quickly cover why the T-Mobile app might fail to generate or transfer your PIN and what you can do about it. As of November 2025, the most common reasons are outdated app versions, corrupted app cache, or temporary server issues on T-Mobile's end. These problems cause failures in the secure API calls needed for PIN authentication, preventing successful device activation or number porting. Stick around to find out how to quickly resolve this frustrating issue. First, make sure you're running the latest version of the My T-Mobile app. An update released in October 2025, version 25.1.0, specifically addresses PIN transfer failures. If updating doesn't work, try clearing the app's cache. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, My T-Mobile, Storage, then Clear Cache. On iOS, you may need to offload or reinstall the app. Finally, if the app continues to fail, use the T-Mobile website at mytmobile.com. Log in and generate the transfer PIN there. The web portal is often more reliable, bypassing many app-specific issues. By following these steps, you should be able to get your transfer PIN and activate your device.